The O, or the Objects tab within the server, allows you to import or create and save objects within Vizrt itself. So if we wanted to import some 3D objects from a different 3D program, we could do that. So first I'm just going to drag a folder down here, and I'm going to name this Objects. This is where we can store all of our objects. And I'm going to click on my O tab. I'm going to go to the Import button, and here I'm going to navigate down to a folder where I have a 3D object, and here you can see I created one in 3D Studio Max with a .3ds extension. So I'm going to highlight this and drag it over to here. Now you can import .3ds, .objs, vrml2s. Depending which one you do import, each one may come in with a little bit different settings as far as the texture and materials. So here's my object. I can drag this down into the scene tree. Notice it may not come in quite facing you, so you just may need to go in and rotate it or scale it or do whatever you need to do. Now at the same time, if we needed to create an object within Vizrt and save it, we could do that as well. So I'm just going to create a quick object here. I have a sphere, and I'll use a torus as well. And on the torus, we're just going to have it rotate around as well. So I'm going to set a keyframe for the rotation here, and it doesn't matter which way we go. So we'll just do that, and it rotates. Now I'm going to group these two containers down here, and I'm going to highlight the main top group. Now when two containers are in a top level group, another button becomes active above the scene tree, and it's this merge button. So if we have the top group highlighted, I can click this merge button, and it now creates this little icon or one container within the scene tree. So I can go to server, highlight my objects tab, and I can drag this container by the icon and drag it up there. It now asks you for a name, so we'll just give it a quick name. If I delete this object from the scene tree and drag it down again, what it's going to do is have the animation that's stuck with it. So we can hit play, and it plays the animation. I may want to access these different parts of it, so I want to access the sphere and the torus. So now that we have this one container, another icon becomes active above the scene tree, and we can hit split, and now we have access to our two containers. So if I needed to change the color of one of these containers, I could.